Kaya mga tao is busy na. At excited naman umuwi. Kasama tayo doon.
Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin.
Good afternoon mga parts! Sunset yan. So time check, it's around 5:15 p.m. Tapos na work at pauwi na tayo. And since nandito tayo sa part ng Ortigas Avenue, ituloy na natin pauwi ang ating adventures para sa libutin ang sariling atin. At first time natin na nakamotor. Yan. At since nandito na rin lang naman tayo, samantalahin na natin. Yeah. Welcome to Metro Manila. Na rin tayo ng Pasig. Let's go. At bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, ito muna ang
Quick History
ng Pasig City! Woohoo!
Pasig is located in the eastern part of Metro Manila. From kilometer 0 in Luneta Park, it's about 11 kilometers away, which makes around 30 to 45 minutes by car depending on the traffic. Pwede ka naman magmotor, medyo mas mabilis yon. Pasig is bordered by Quezon City and Mandaluyong City to the west, Marikina City and Antipolo City to the north and east, Taguig and Pateros to the south. It's also home to a portion of the Ortigas Central Business District, which it shares with Mandaluyong City and Quezon City. Pasig was founded as a town in 1573 by the Spanish missionaries, making it one of the oldest towns in the Philippines. It was originally part of Rizal Province and served as its capital before officially became a highly urbanized city in 1994 under Republic Act number 7829. The name Pasig comes from the Tagalog word pasigan, meaning riverbank. Because the city grew along the riverbanks of Pasig River, the river played a huge role in trade and transportation during early times. The name Pasig has been used since the Spanish era, but it officially became Pasig City on July 26, 1994, when it was converted into a city under the administration of Fidel V. Ramos. Recent lang pala siya. 1994 lang siya naging city. 1994, I was in grade 4. So during that time, on my early elementary days, hindi pa pala siya city. Interesting. Pasig City is home to over 3 residents. It's a vibrant mix of business professionals, students, and long-time local families. Pasig covers a land area of about 35 square kilometers. It's smaller than Quezon City, but bigger than Makati, and it continued to grow as one of Metro Manila's busiest cities. There are 30 barangays in Pasig, divided between 2 districts, from old communities to high-rise residential zones. Famous personalities from Pasig. Pasig is home or linked to the notable personalities like Vico Soto, the current mayor and one of the country's most admired young leaders. And syempre, si Bossing, actor and comedian. Pero I think may bahay din siya sa Alabang, sa Muntinlupa. Aiza Sigera, plus many TV hosts, media personalities, and social media influencers who work around Ortigas. Here are some must-visit places in Pasig City. Kung mahilig kayo sa mall, Ortigas Center, one of Metro Manila's top business and lifestyle districts. Immaculate Conception Cathedral of Pasig, historic church founded in the 1500s. Rainforest Adventure Experience or Rave Park. It's a family-friendly park with gardens, zoo, and adventure areas. Estancia Malls and Capitol Commons. It's a shopping and dining destination. At nandyan din ang Pasig Palengke for the taste of local street food and market culture. The city has mix of old Spanish era charm and ultra-modern skyscrapers. Pasig City is truly where the old meets the new. Rich in history, yet forward-thinking and full of life, whether you're here to explore, work, or unwind, laging merong ganap dito sa Pasig.
So we are entering the mainlands of Pasig. So anong tingin mo? Pictured sa vlog. Ayan. Oy, ano meron dito? Obirit, obirit. Past 5 na, uwian na. Traffic na. So dito sa rush hour to. Ayan, busy na mga tao. Excited na umuwi. Kasama na tayo, pero gagala pa tayo. So gamit ka natin ngayon for the first time sa segment na ito. Nagmotor tayo at gamit natin ang stick na motor na to from CF Moto, the 450MT adventure bike sa traffic. Nadaanan nga natin ang Pasig River kanina. So yun, nasa listahan ko at matagal ko na rin gustong makasakay sa Pasig River Cruise. Yan, that runs from Binondo up to saan ba? I'm not so sure kung kaya hanggang Cainta or Taytay. Mas maigi, pero matagal ko na gustong ma-experience, makapag-explore at makapag-adventure doon. So yun, this is Pasig. Wala tayong maps. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga features nito, but basically nagbe-base lang tayo sa instinct. From Ortigas Avenue kanina papuntang City Hall ng Pasig. So sana hindi naman tayo mawala, pero yun lang, medyo nakaka-stress dahil traffic na. Pero it's okay, it's along the way naman papuntang south. And sa batch na ito, we will be covering at least 3: Pasig, Pateros, and Taguig, along the way pa uwi. So adventure to. For the first time nga, para sa segment na to, is nakamotorsiklo tayo. On the previous episodes ng Libutin ang Sariling Atin is nakakotse tayo. Now nakamotor naman, we are using an adventure bike sa traffic. So okay lang naman, kaya naman ng height. Yan, abot din naman sa height natin na 5'6". Hindi naman masyadong tiptoe, medyo mataas lang. Power wise, sakto. And ang importante, go sir, ang importante ay magaan. Hindi ko alam kung tama ang dinadaanan natin, pero I think papunta doon, palengke. Mga parts, nasa kahabaan tayo ng isa sa main thoroughfare or isa sa main road dito sa Pasig. This is the C. Raimundo Avenue or C. Raimundo Street. Obviously, main thoroughfare. Kita nyo naman yung traffic. So yan, taga-taga lang. Well, huwag naman sanang umulan, pero okay lang, hindi naman tayo takot sa ulan. Traffic! And so that's the papuntang Shaw Boulevard, C5 Kalayaan, diretso. Papunta rin yan ng Ortigas Avenue or Ortigas Business District. At paliko tayo papuntang Pasig City Hall. So same sa mga episodes natin for Metro Manila, hindi tayo masyado makapag-ikot-ikot tayo dito dahil well, medyo wala tayong time dahil sinasabay lang natin sa day job natin ang adventure na to. At the same time, madalas naman tayo nakakadaan na dito at malapit. So hindi na tayo makapag food trip or something na makapasal sa mga must see places dito kasi nga nandyan lang naman siya. Pwede naman mapuntahan anytime. Mas excited pa ako dun sa mga malalayo. Yan, sa mga probinsyang pupuntahan natin at ibang lugar. Yun, mas excited ako dun. Alright, so kasalukuyang nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng Pasig City Museum. Ayan, there's the dambana of Andres Bonifacio. Ay, ganda. In front of us also, that's Rizal Park. Ang ganda rin ng simbahan na to. Wow. Sige, a few clicks lang. Medyo traffic lang pero nandun na tayo in a few clicks. Woo! Mas maganda naka-scooter dito. Kasi naka-big bike ka. Oh no, buti na lang 450cc lang to. Imagine mo sa ganitong traffic ko na 1000cc ka. Bigat, init. Chill lang. So this is part ng adventures. Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag adventure out of town lang, di ba? Anything na exciting kasama itong iniikot natin. Kahit nasa syudad tayo, para sa akin adventure to. Wow! So ayan na. Although nire-renovate pa, but that's the Pasig City Hall. Tara, hanap tayo ng mapapapicturan or thumbnail dito.
Alright, Pasig!
Another check sa checklist. Kahit ilang beses tayong napapadaan dito, maraming activities na rin tayo ginawa dito. Of course, food trip at pasyal-pasyal. Alright, so 16 minutes napunta na tayo doon. Alright mga parts, that's a quick stop or quick run dito sa Pasig City. So marami pang madidiscover dito, but again, balikan na lang natin yung iba. Marami pa tayong time. Pero for this coverage, yan muna mga parts and mga Mars. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel para updated kayo sa mga adventures at mga videos natin. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today at lagi natin tatandaan, hiling man sa motor o sa adventures, bakit ka papipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.